FitLab PGH is a podcast that believes movement should be treated as a lifestyle and it should be safe. So Larry Gioia from Dynamic Paddlers is going to tell us about how to properly wear a life jacket.
Thanks, Ben. Hey, everybody. So very quickly, in the state of Pennsylvania, it's actually not a law that you have to wear a life jacket, but I want to show you how you should wear it when you do so. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that all the buckles on the side of your life jacket are loosened all the way up on both sides. And also, if you have shoulder straps, we're going to loosen those up as well. So we'll start there. First thing we're going to do is we'll put our life jacket on. What we're going to do is the buckle in front. We're going to buckle this guy on the front first. Then we're going to zip it up in the front. But we're not done. This thing is not properly fitted even remotely. What we're going to do next is go on the bottom on both sides. We're going to grab the bottom strap on the left side and the right side, on this side and this side. We're going to pull it really snug and then keep pushing it down every time we do this. What we do is if we pull it on one side and the other, it becomes very lopsided. So we're going to pull, again, each side equally on both sides, nice and snug, and then pull it down again. And finally, the last strap is here in the middle. Pull this one forward, nice and snug. And the last thing we want to do, once it's real low, is up here by our shoulders. We're going to grab the last two straps. Snug this guy a little bit. This one. Okay. This we're going to pull down like we're jumping out of a parachute. Like that. Now it should give you like it's feel like it's giving you a hug. And Ben, try this. Try to get this thing up. Ooh, that's pretty darn good. It's not going to come off when you're in the water and over your head. That's how you properly fit a PFD, personal flotation device. Dynamic paddlers, keep calm and paddle on, everybody. Thank you.